teammates, pero to si Cory Santi, meron din magandang pinakita dito sa ating ball game and display. This kick out pass by Joe Devan. Santi knocking down that TM3. Atid sa inyo ng bagong TM Discount SIM. 30 pesos lang. May
Richard, binabanggit mo kanina ang Pure Foods na mga problema from the 15-foot line. They have missed 11 free throws so far, 8 of 19 sila. Samantala itong Wellcoat, 9 of 14 with Marquise Gaines knocking down 7 of his 9 attempts.
Ay, yung epekto rin yan, no? Mas lalo na pag nag-ahabol ang kuponan mo, eh talaga nakaka-demoralize yan if you're missing a lot of free throws. Here's Gaines. That was green for Santi. Lanete, agad na dapa. He recovers. Here's Gaines fading away. Gaines knocking down that long two.
14 points in the ballgame para dito kay Big Gay at pinansin nga natin kaninang pregame na itong si Marquise Gaines is one of the guys who has to step up for Wellcoat to be successful.
Post move produces nothing for Kirby Raimundo. Rebound to Gaines. Ito na ngayon si Santi. Lead pass. Uy, nalibre sa ilalim si game long for the Pure Foods PJ Giants. Yung transition defense as Wellcoat capitalizing once again. Patuloy po ang ratsyada ng Wellcoat Dragons dito po sa Tubod, Lanao del Norte.